In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start an LLC in Tennessee in under 10 minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to BizBuilders, your go-to source for everything business formation and entrepreneurship. Now, if you're thinking about starting a business in Tennessee, you're honestly in a great spot. Tennessee is one of the most business-friendly states in the country, and forming an LLC here is actually a lot easier than most people think. You don't need a lawyer, you don't need to spend hours on paperwork, and you definitely don't need to stress about complicated requirements. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to form your Tennessee LLC, what to expect at each step, and how to avoid the most common mistakes that trip people up. If you want to skip to a specific section, check the timestamps below. And if you find this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more business formation guides, and drop a comment if you have questions about Tennessee LLCs. And just so you know, if you want someone to handle all the Tennessee paperwork for you, I've got an exclusive discount link for Northwest Registered Agent in the description. Okay, so let's start with why Tennessee is such a great place to form an LLC. There's no state income tax on wages or salaries, and the state is actively working to keep business taxes low. The cost of living is reasonable, the economy is growing, and there's a strong entrepreneurial community, especially in Nashville's tech and music scenes. Tennessee also has a straightforward LLC formation process. There's no publication requirement, no weird compliance hoops, and the Secretary of State's office is actually pretty efficient. Plus, the state is friendly to both local and out-of-state business owners. Now, if you want to form your LLC yourself, the process is actually pretty straightforward. So the first thing you'll need to do is pick a unique name for your LLC that meets Tennessee's naming requirements. You can check name availability for free on the Tennessee Secretary of State website. I'd say it's a good idea to have a couple of backup names just in case your first choice is taken. Next, you'll need to appoint a registered agent. This is someone with a Tennessee address who can receive legal mail for your LLC. If you live in Tennessee, you can be your own registered agent. But if you don't, or if you want privacy, you'll need to hire a registered agent service. After that, you'll file your articles of organization online through the Tennessee Secretary of State's website. You'll need to provide your LLC name, registered agent info, business address, and whether your LLC will be member managed or manager managed. The filing fee is $300 for most LLCs. Once you've filed, you'll get a confirmation from the state, usually within a few business days. Then you'll want to get an EIN from the IRS, which is free if you do it yourself online. You'll also want to create an operating agreement, which isn't required by Tennessee law, but it is highly recommended for protecting your LLC status and clarifying how your business operates. Finally, you'll need to file an annual report every year to keep your LLC in good standing. The annual report is also filed online and is due by the first day of the fourth month after your fiscal year ends. So if you're comfortable with paperwork and have a little time to spare, you can definitely form your Tennessee LLC yourself. The Secretary of State's website is user-friendly and the instructions are clear. Now let's be honest, most people don't want to spend their time reading state statutes or worrying about missing a step. That's where Northwest Registered Agent comes in. If you want the quickest and easiest way to form your LLC in Tennessee, Northwest is honestly the best option I've found. Okay, so here's how it works. You just click the link in the description or pinned comment and it takes you straight to their LLC formation page. The first thing they ask is which state you want to form your LLC in, so you just select Tennessee from the drop-down and hit start. From there, you enter your desired business name and their system checks to make sure it meets Tennessee's requirements. You fill in some basic details about yourself and your business, and Northwest automatically sets themselves up as your registered agent, which means you don't have to worry about your personal address being on public record. You'll enter your business address and ownership information, and then you'll see a few optional extras like getting your EIN or having them create your operating agreement for you. You can add those if you want or skip them if you'd rather handle those steps yourself. After that, you just review everything, submit your order, and you're done. Northwest handles the actual filing with the state, and you can track everything from your dashboard while your LLC gets approved. The whole process on your end takes less than 10 minutes, and you don't have to worry about missing a step or making a mistake. What I really like about Northwest is that they're not pushy with upsells, their pricing is transparent, and their customer service is actually helpful if you have questions. They also send compliance reminders for annual reports and other deadlines, so you don't have to worry about missing anything important down the road. If you want to save time, avoid paperwork, and make sure your LLC is set up correctly the first time, Northwest Registered Agent is honestly the fastest and easiest way to do it in Tennessee. So to sum it up, forming an LLC in Tennessee is simple whether you do it yourself or you use a service. If you're comfortable with online forms and want to save a little money, the DIY route is totally doable. But if you want to get it done in under 10 minutes, avoid all the hassle, and have ongoing support, Northwest Registered Agent is the way to go. Now, if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up so other entrepreneurs can find it too. And subscribe to Biz Builders for more business formation guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions about Tennessee LLCs or want to share your experience. And remember, if you want to get your Tennessee LLC started the quick and easy way, use our special discount link for Northwest Registered Agent in the description or pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and here's to building your business in Tennessee the smart way. See you in the next video.